You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.
One of our brothers from Ghana. They call people from Ghana Charlie.
But the problem where I get that be say Nigeria factor don't affect am. Because as they come for Ghana, you no go use Nigeria time.
Yeah.
But 16 enter Nigeria and Nigeria factor don't use Nigeria time.
Can you just imagine?
One me, my brother, what's up, man?
Thank you, boss man.
Welcome to Nigeria.
Thank you.
I want just how long you don't do Nigeria right now?
I came in yesterday.
Yesterday
in the morning.
Okay, this is now your certainly not your first visit.
Absolutely not.
Like which number?
You don't come Naija FM before now.
From 2014.
2014.
We did come here now.
Steadily.
Yeah, the last time I was here for the headies.
Oh yeah. I remember. Anyway, now still Naija FM 102.7. Now
It's been a long time since I came on any radio show in Naija. That should be 2015.
So we'll talk say this is now your very first official
second
interview.
time in Naija FM here, but in 4 or 5 years.
4 or 5 years.
Yeah.
We welcome you.
Thank you.
Anyway, that are the voice of Stonebwoy, record producer, songwriter, award-winning artist. When I mean award-winning artist, I check his discography and I just noticed out of about 18 nominations, not only 3 you don't lose. Like now you don't win. Like you don't win BET for 2015, but the 2017 you lose out to our own personality, which I'm happy. But the rest of that award you they collect them back to back from 2014 all the way to 2020, and also you also get 4 albums to your name. The last one was 2020 when you just dropped.
2020, yes.
And I try to get the pronunciation of that name since morning.
Anglogan.
I'm waiting.
Anglogan.
I live and switch you talk, my brother. Welcome to Nigeria.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we get Stonebwoy here live and direct. The name still remain Word Bobby MC R1B.
And my own name too still remain Becca Blees.
Okay, sharp. I know so you get new record out with international artist Vic Mesa. Is it the sign to Jay-Z record label and Rock Nation, right?
I should believe so.
So because I know
2018. One time now Rock Nation.
Rock Nation
but
beyond
he's doing really well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now before we go your new record, I like to know you be one of the Ghanaian artists when we say your relationship with Nigeria be like 5 and 6, and we don't sit down with you and Davido anytime. In fact, our artists, especially the A-list, they like goes chief for Ghana, and most times they always like chief on us. So tell me the secret behind the whole arrangement.
As they come here, they even discussed that with one of my managers. They talk, say, we were just discussing how as I come Nigeria like this now. I for suppose they feel like say I'm trying to,
but the welcome.
What's the vibe where they make my brothers? They always, and I'm like, okay, probably here's you just see the energy where they for street, say yes.
Okay.
So probably sometimes if you want to cool off a little bit.
Over to Ghana.
Back and forth. So I think say now to cool off and for a change of atmosphere, say even myself way like I'm a Ghanaian.
Yeah.
Most often that's where I live. So from time to time I would want to breathe out a little bit. So probably I'll take time out and stuff. So I just feel like say maybe now so and Ghana they inspirational for creativity as well.
So that make most of them go wrong cheese to fit think but Nigerian problem they tie them for neck.
I believe so.
All right, make I ask you the next question. You there among I don't want to say you there among actually, because now you be the first African person to collect awards for BET.
For that
style.
For that your style.
Yeah. So since you don't collect that award from BET, so how that award don't they beneficial to Ghana, Ghana itself?
Definitely it benefit Ghana well, and even myself, because it be like say as you they work hard.
Yeah.
The people they recognize
your doings.
That one will be the very important one. Like as people they recognize the fact that you they do well and you they putting in a lot of work and you they progress. That one alone gives you a lot more energy to continue to do until say you go retire one day.
Okay.
And the things where they come alongside with them, it's the awards.
Yeah.
This is how I want to actually place that.
Okay.
The things that come alongside with hard work and everything are the awards, the accolades.
Sure.
Exactly. So it makes people feel good, because even for this work, what would they do? Would they do this work for people?
Yeah.
And so every little move we make, we make people happy and and feel fulfilled as well. Like, yo, that's my guy. Like, excuse me, say that they like and well, and they like say they push, they
like
promote,
they
make our name, they go big. So it gives a lot of people joy and happiness. And for you as a musician now, you put your country on the map.
Yeah.
To a large extent, you put Africa on the map as well. Imagine say Nigeria no day, Ghana no day. People know they individually put weight. We don't say no be government they give us money to do what they do where they make citizens very happy.
Yeah.
But in the end, the work where they do like it makes people happy. So for these awards, I just regard it as icing on the cake. When we work hard.
Oh, okay, sharp right now. Talking about government, we know say you Shatawale, we once get 1 or 2 arrangement, one later set officially, and I know say kind of like the government, be like say the rapport with una where, una presido, the rapport with una where.
Yeah, because in the end we are all citizens of a country.
Yeah.
So we are under.
But if you say you for Ghana, you they get the recognition based on the effort when they put into music,
which is definitely now.
Okay.
Once you put in the effort, you will get the recognition.
Okay.
Some people go do like say they don't see it, but definitely if it's clear, it's clear. If you light a candle where you hide down for the biggest darkness, it goes still shine.
So you don't did the music industry for over 11 years now. Since
like
2009.
12. Like
so how you don't keep up with the consistency? Because we know say every single year new artists they fall out for Ghana.
Exactly.
And not just Ghana, Africa as a whole.
Yes.
So
even the world as a whole.
Yeah.
You understand? But as it is now, I wouldn't be the only one who is supposed to be consistent. Yeah. I wouldn't have to be the only one. So I feel like say people go to say, oh, you did for a while. Even me, I just look back to realize say, whoa, you've been here for 12 years active. You know? And that is to tell you, say I I'm very young. Yeah. So if I subtract that 12 from my age, I was one small boy for one side.
That's going to be 21, right?
21, 20. So 21. Officially. So once upon a time, we were new artists who have had to hold a turf and still grow and get other people inspired to also the push. So I feel say this is a journey of a lifetime as music day. Fortunately, can't be like football where it gets to a time where you can't be very, very active in them. But for music now, when you manage and well, push and well, as you grow, they tend to like wine where they find well. Understand? So it doesn't matter how short or how long. Now the impact where you continue to make.
All right, still talking about how your journey don't be so far.
I try, Sha.
Yeah,
you don't try. You don't enter. But we only part for you now. Go spoil everywhere. But
still talking about that your journey so far. You get somewhere maybe say I read about your accident. Maybe say they say you get one accident for 13 years old. A lot of people don't really know that part of you. Say you they even use one leg. You're right.
It's not easy.
Yeah. So concerning that journey, the other artists maybe say they come up, maybe say they face 1 or 2 obstacles, challenges for the music industry, either in Ghana or Nigeria. Waiting be the words of advice maybe say you go get for this people, because based on waiting you don't talk or say get fight, that's your obstacles. You still came out strong. So which advice you get for those upcoming artists where they look up to you like that too?
Thank you very much. First and foremost, I go say I'm like this. Nobody reach yet because even the man way they on top still they even push. So as much as this advice go for people where they look up to us now, they still strengthening some of us still to continue to keep. You just have to be determined, because in the end, a lot of us have different stories to share, and your story makes your process beautiful. You understand? So if you have an odd story, so to say, when no be that story where maybe they born you for better place, you be just know say the odd one is the God one.
The odd one is the God one. See line
and push.
Okay.
And that's one way go make that's how you can make a statement. So for me now, just keep pushing. Just believe in yourself first and foremost. You see, we get some people where that part be one part where we know they two say go say you don't start with some people, some group of your friends where when I want rap, when I want do music, But you go come see say only a few of us they feel shine out of the lot. And if they come they paying you say up to now you they still see friends where you and them one start on that time. Where they still did that same stage.
You never come out there.
You understand?
Yeah.
So that is one thing I always pray for. Say may God help everybody. And make we too take time to find out what thing be our calling. So we don't go waste time for this place.
But those your guys when I got a startup, how many of them you see they relate with right now?
Jano, I notice a lot, and sometimes they go feel say I know they remember themselves and they understand the time don't go. So basically for me, I dey learn hand, I dey learn help to whoever anyhow, whether I know you or I don't know you. I just they still encourage you with the vim, because in the end, me too, I dey push they go. So just push, join, make they go. But the reality is that if we identify, what our calling be. We know we can't waste time for it go better for one side. We no be that side.
Anyway, talking about relationship right now, for those who don't really know, what it really cause the issue between you, Shatta Wale?
And a musical something now.
Who started now? You have been now?
No, I ain't started.
Okay, who bring all about the resolution? Who actually make the move to take settle now?
Oh, to take settle, actually speaking, you know, to say it reach level where the next level is to peace. You understand? That's the actuality. Nobody can call we by force, because nobody feel force you to it reach level
because of competition, the quarrel become like, okay, your name they go far past my own they go fast past your own. I be actually make the whole quarrel.
Honestly, I know they for another brother mind to take certify say now because somebody they go, somebody know they go, now they cost stuff. But there's a reality that there is always a certain amount of competition amongst creatives,
even brothers,
even in real life now. There is supposed to be envy. It is a form of emotion. There's supposed to be greed. There's supposed to be jealousy. But how you they balance that one? Somebody they were in jealousy, they 170 past. So we all have that amongst us. Like if I see a brother moving up and I'm around that area, I go notice the move up. So for now, I feel like say, I won't move like that too. Now for come use my brain where we make a no come envy in movement. Come they feel like because I won't move like that. And they wish saying and me they move like that.
So many person for that me replace him.
He's supposed to move like that. So you to go come now, get inspired and probably to push your own now. Maybe you go come thief am small for strategy.
Like
to
copy strategy to sit push your own.
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe. But one good step deserves emulation. You feel me? So
but currently right now not doing good relationship.
Right now will be good. Right now,
but I try to look for song one I don't do.
Never.
Like, why?
We go do one.
Now I do Whiskey and Davido here. What did happen? But seriously speaking, because I think Whiskey and Davido are two artists who never do song together for Nigeria, and I know say that one not go really possible. So I want to know why we never do, because certainly the opportunity supposed on day by now. Why you and Shatta Wale never do songs? I be like, you know what to.
Yeah, big ups to my brother any day, anyway. As a day, we are all Africans in the end. And as we go now, we can't realize, say, the war where we fight, come big past Ghana and Naija. The war is Africa against the world.
All the words,
but you go find similar movement for everywhere now. So when God's time agree now.
So now
okay, maybe when Wiz and David do now.
Do now.
I go tell David, say David, now you are the waiter, no.
Talking about your relationship with Davido, because I dropped song recently. You don't even go, you go pick out from airport to
that's
power
my biggest
bike.
Song right now. Currently,
with massive stream everywhere.
I no go tell you lies.
So,
that song.
How the connection when move to relationship they coming back? Because I just believe say it don't pass just music between our two,
which is right. And the thing be say me myself as a there, I believe say to have a relationship, to create one is far better than just leaving it at just musical connect. When you create one now, you they bring them to human being level. We see another brother or we be real for life, because if not to say just music now, maybe many things there where we no go feel agree on. You understand? Because as for me, everybody have his own. So for me, from I think 2015, where I can't win that BET, I was pretty like new on the scene. So when Stonebwoy, everybody like, yo, who's that guy? And I can't say he can't tweet. And from the time he tweeted and congratulated me, that's the time we hit up each other.
Oh, since 2015.
And if I tell you that it was actually the time we would do the music was when we actually met in person.
So since 2015, when I know me, but they communicate on the regular
once until when
the song,
which was just last year,
2020,
Ghana, we just link up. Now he himself link. He was in UK and he was coming to Ghana. So I think I saw he was going to Ghana, and then later got a message like he's gonna be in Ghana, so make we just link up. Because I'm like, why not? I was in UK as well, so they come home the next day. But I say no, you no need. Since I just change and just go, make we just. And God bless, we do some big jams. So this is how long I've known him, and I feel like we never do too many things together yet. Yeah. But now the reality where I get for heart, and the reality where he gets for heart as bridging. Yeah. Now he make the thing just look nice clip, like that. Boy. As he come Ghana now, roll out the boys.
Carry your boys with power bike now.
That one no reach. The boys wait day for roll out. That one be the ones where just there.
So those are your guys, Abi. Those guys with bike every.
Now they talk say that one be like 2/10.
Of the guys.
Wow. That one be 2/10. Now.
So you got many boys now for Ghana.
Baba,
so you person look for my trouble
now. President they talk to.
All right, talking about the states. I'm talking about the African music. I mean, if you want to describe the African music at the moment, both Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa,
Kenya,
all African countries, how you fit to describe the state of African or the landscape? Make I put it like that.
Thank
the landscape,
yes,
of the African music at the moment.
This matter is very important. Say we go acknowledge. Say this landscape over there inside now. Yeah. We are grateful to God. Say our people don't do what they go fit do, and the foundations that they've laid, whether you know or you don't, whether you're aware or not. Now he bring us this far.
Not be lie.
Whether you be ignorant, say nobody do nothing. Now he bring us this far.
The little way
papa them come put. Now he make the scene come sweet like this. As we dey inside Instagram time, come dey TikTok chiller time now. It can't they bring the world to a certain standpoint where they notice as well, because it used to be a time where they know even people Africans don't want to be associated as say them be Africans for the diaspora.
There was a time when they would play our own music. They would rather play the obodo.
Even for inside clubs.
Even for inside clubs. So to feel some way, but as we come conscientize ourselves over the years now, we see how proud we are, pushing and promoting, and in this time I think it's a better time, honestly, that we are in, and our generation must leave the same or will leave a better legacy, which is for the next ones to come. So imagine when we did 60, 70 years now. The ones who will come go just they mash up the place.
Based on the effort and not put on.
Exactly, and I'm happy about the sound now. I believe that the sound now don't travel from make it just be like an African beat or an African rhythm you they hear.
To international
it has now become, look, it has to do with the culture. It has to even do with you now as black. Once our voice itself is an African instrument.
True that.
That is how we're recognized now.
True that. I want to ask the name behind the Stonebwoy until I find out your real name now. Livingstone. Fse, right?
Eche. You see, as you say Uche, this one be Eche.
Okay.
But you don't mean the same thing, no?
No. One time they mistake they call me Uche. All this
Nigerian guys.
But that was when I was here. But Eche is a name for a twin now.
Okay.
So like if in Ghana when anybody's called Eche, not twin.
Okay, but so you are between?
For real?
Are you serious?
Wow, how come I don't know?
Yeah, because I just did tell you now.
Now boy or girl?
Now boy.
We're in there.
Now he don't pass.
Oh,
so
no
sorry.
wonder we
So
don't
I
know.
see why you know to talk about them. May just also rest in peace, though.
Hey, before I ask you the next question, if you like to you get foundation, Livingstone Foundation.
Yes, please.
Yeah,
yes, please.
and I think from where I don't see, and they say you sponsor actually 5 people from your alma mater.
Yeah, no, so, I mean that one be
small wine
profiling.
So how far with the foundation now?
No, he did. We do many things. We're about to do Yo, we be doing stuff like charity stuff, health, education, and that.
For Ghana.
For Ghana.
Okay.
You say I know they too loud because honestly, it could be like say as people they do, but my focus no dey onto the loud
Up and like may not be like say they compete with those when they do.
Honestly.
Okay.
Honestly, and that is what I think I want to leave behind. The next thing they can work on self now some reforms. They go partner with
United
Nations.
For one sector of it. You know,
okay. Yeah, they get their different sectors.
For domestic violence issues. So I do refugee before.
Okay.
So so that be another
nice.
Side where they keep me busy. Also.
Yeah.
Nice.
And it's not like because the music is always in the lead.
Yeah.
So that is not
the rest got for
light no they too throw on that one. As this corona come, if you organize workshops to train people self on that, and
brilliant.
most of these where they do straight from my coffers.
From your pocket to
Straight from my coffers. So no be thing where
they ask for support
from they ask for, but it be like say me I be one person they do because I feel like that be my part where I go feel they take the support. I don't have it all.
Okay.
But when you give what
The
is
little
essential from your body, you dey feel them, so your heart stay inside. You know, so we do a lot of things.
Make I come back to your music. So when are we expecting an album?
The last album I dropped was last year, and I
2020.
think that the plan where we get now to push, make it settle well because singles go to come, but then as a body of work, I think it's gonna be a year. I think in 3 days time.
For the album,
In 2 days it's gonna be a year since we released it, and 1st May now. We they do 1 year anniversry for that, so we they do like a proper virtual concert. And we they perform the album songs. It's 15-track album. The album is dope now.
So location of this virtual concert where in Nigeria or Ghana? For Accra. Why not go for Nigeria now?
And we go do something for here as well.
Okay. Anyway, now sharp. How your relationship be with Burna Boy? Knowing fully well say he did part. Now he be the very first artist on top this new generation artists when you actually talk about when they win Grammy. Other African artists like Angelina Kidjo, they will not be classified and join our generation
and
artists
even
right now.
Other Nigerians from
don't
time as well.
winner before. Burna Boy being
time where we did
right now. Like how that one feel?
Okay. Once I go talk, we say big respect to everybody because it's not an easy journey. It must have been him alone. We're putting work. But in the end, it's a glory for everybody.
Everybody want to work on that project.
People. And I know that, when it comes to the Grammys, it is another award people where they one side, where they reward hard work based on
what you did.
There is always wahala when it comes to awards. There's always back and forth. So for me, I take it even a step down to the effort where the artists they put in. Because now that effort comes first before the award come follow. So on that level, big respect to everybody, big respect to Wiz, big respect to David, because that's why they step it down. Check. Because many people don't work, way be say they never get no award. But Mali said never get no. You understand? Many people work, well. How about people who come push to levels where we dey top now? They deserve. So if this win come like this, it definitely come through one person, but it's for everybody
and kind of like the open way
proud
too.
About them, say we are all involved like that.
But you get existing relationship with Burna Boy, or not work together before?
So
okay.
Bro, I think the truth is just one. Burna must be one of the first Nigerian friends that I had.
When you start your music career,
we dey chill for a yard now. You know, because we come connect from 2013. One of the songs where I dropped No Sir remix.
Okay.
The other day, yesterday they play him. So in the end, he's been a brother from time. And you know, say time they pass where people they
change.
No be about even change. If time they go, time they grow, and many people have things to do on their many people are
Yeah.
busy. So it's not like it used to be before. So
You know why they asked this one? Because the last time when David reached that una reach your country during your video show, una do a video shoot too, we hear Gbege because at that same time Wiz and Burna we also did Ghana. And they say you did with the video for club. What did you do for club that they want? Nobody don't tell us.
Honestly, since nobody don't tell you, no me go come.
But now your country now.
I go manage. I go manage
talk
make it from my standpoint.
Because they say you did here.
Abi, the thing we say, I know first and foremost. I don't even know what's in the wahala be. And to be very honest now, I even meet Brian at that time safe.
Okay.
We coincidentally meet for one side. Where he come as a brother, come open up to me, say, bro, you know now how me and you dey. No be say media know to capture him from 2013. Me and Ben are good.
Wow.
You know, but if you say I won't tell you, you know how me and you dey now, you know, say what say, oh Baba me, with all due respect now, you know, say me, I know be part of this wahala, and I don't even intend to be a part of neither do I want to even fuel any
beef or any
energy amongst the two, because it wouldn't be a good look
at all.
I even said so after he expressed, me and I'm going to even vibe for that same time, and as well the place where we meet, we can't even vibe nice, and that was like one of the longest times we vibe again. You know, say me and now OGs from time, so it immediately we just click again, come vibe. I know say he's very busy, busy. I can understand the amount of busy, and so we just vibe a little bit, and I appreciated the fact say he come even burst out to just and he himself can understand say I know be part of say I they come anything energy, or maybe if me and David they roll.
Come say you can't take side.
I can't take side. So I can't ask David self say, Dave, why now? He to come tell me say, oh, don't be anything major or anything like that, right?
Okay.
But in the end, I believe that they are all two big people doing very well.
You never answer. They're not fight shot. They're not.
So they come. So at that point, at that moment, where the Gbege, I don't know if you call them
Gbege happen.
The Gbege happen. At that particular juncture, I go talk say maybe say be like say now God don't speak to me.
Okay.
I just say make a take a leak.
Come outside.
Yeah, understand. So I go see the club owner, me and I'm before in inner office.
Yeah.
So now there I see say
Gbege happen.
Gbege don't happen.
So I say this one not too necessary.
Not
But that is what it is like. I believe say I can't talk. I don't get more for this one.
I go understand. I go understand. It really happen because you not dead here that time.
But for Muff, Steph, the two of them contempt say, oh, but you know, say we are brothers. Now I say, so that means that in time, because even myself, I get my wahala
for Ghana
for that same place now. So I just thank God, say, that one look out to my profile. Understand?
All right, make I just take it back to Ghana right now. I think some days ago we hear say this lady Ekwapim Polo. I don't mention her name well.
They say Ekwapim na one area. Okay. Look say Surulere Polo.
Okay. You know, say they give him 90 days jail term for. So I want they give him bail. So I want to ask you now, as a Ghanaian, you feel say that
judgment,
that judgment, what's the whole arrangement?
I mean, some of these things is good for us to speak about, because in the end we can't just be speaking music. This is social issues and legal issues and that. Waiting I know be say most of the laws where we don't put for ground as African in our legal system and constitution. It day where they work well when they catch you go work. But I believe say the non-custodial one we for the look at them also, because I know to believe say no be every small some misdemeanors day where the punishment for them for fee be something else. You know, go fee be jail time, everything jail time, everything. So me that is just how I saw the fact that the law they actually surely are in their right to apply the law on top of whichever
punishable
where you
carry out.
You carry, but if you see and where you check inside now, it is the same plea where would they plea. Now, me say be one person will come. She even say I'm for video before she can't go lock up. Now say she they thank Stonebwoy them. You know, me I they do many things for underground.
Well, you know the
as,
meekness
as,
of
as godfather for the thing. I mean, I'm not an old boy. I'm not old.
But based on the time when you don't
based on
you be godfather.
the grinding where I dey for ground as a ghetto youth, where everything can dey concern me. You understand? Whether I show face or no show face, I go still do one for underground now.
Okay.
You understand? So as we come plea now, they come see say they forfeit, remove am for that side. And maybe give am bail. And when we heard that, we are all even happy because the same people wey come sentence am, na these same people come to say it is what reasonable. So na that reasoning part, now we come dey talk long time say this kind of thing. Although say the law say this one you for do, make we dey reason the lower
with
no be temper, no be necessarily temper justice with mercy, but refine am. Say no be everything wey be jail.
Community service dey there.
That be the vibe.
Okay, sharp right now. Big congrats to una say Twitter say now na day free speech speaking.
Una no dey free speech.
Now ask me na wetin Twitter talk.
Na Twitter talk. Make Twitter no can cook beef put for our mouth. So it come be like say, you know.
So I dey congratulate you now. And also I want to ask you this last question before we jam this your new song with Big Mesa. Bless me. I want to ask between you don't come Nigeria severally.
Yes.
Abi?
Yes.
You don't chop our jollof, Abi?
Yes, so.
Okay. So
No
between
lie,
Ghana,
But based on what I talk last night, I swear. Based on what I talk last night, if you ask me this question, I go talk out with my heart say no way.
No way with me.
Hold on. What you chop last night first of all?
The jollof I chop last night.
Now you na wrong place.
No enter me.
Na the one we carry for Ghana.
You don't enter me. See, as well say as I dey eat am, I dey reason. How?
We won't give you. Who said I give you?
I don't want.
I need help with person. You know for better place go buy
I'll be
jollof.
honest.
Can you?
Chop better than you.
As I put the fork for the thing, I said,
Wow.
my only thing wey save me be say they package the thing in a way where jollof dey here, this one dey here, and some pepper dey here. So I say, thank God for the pepper. No pepper dey neutralize everything.
No,
So I just put the pepper for this one, manage am. I say, hey, Toby.
Toby now will flow. Chop to give am better jollof. You go give am more put more jollof.
Wait, you supposed to carry and go where they make firewood.
You know what, Stonebwoy? I want you better jollof.
So after you give me that one
You
now,
thought
I will
the
come
question.
share the truth because based on wetin happen yesterday, this question.
Me, I think I ask you my own last question. I go Ghana for 2019. Yeah. I go to Accra side and I notice say too much expatriate. Onyibo people they plenty.
You know they say they get free speech.
Wait, no, before so apart from terrorism, what do you feel say they really attract those expatriates to now? Not because of now women. Wait, so we don't say Ghana girls they get.
That they were.
You understand?
Ghana girls get the body well. Nigeria girls get body too now.
We know now say una Banku they increase things.
You know.
So okay, we collect that credit too now. Instantly we take them. But African women are beautiful. Sure, regardless. Because some people like them like that. Some people don't like them.
They don't like overload. But God bless you. Now almost all na overload one kind.
Now
just few.
South Africa they
in South Africa, we know say na God
Kenya also.
No, tell you na your own problem will be that. Now talking about women, Stonebwoy, you dey married?
Yeah, we took kids.
Two kids. I know. I want me answer. I just say you go lie.
No, now you don't feel like for something like this, because in the end, this is my home, bro. That's my wife. That's my kids. You feel me? So it be something where are they grateful for.
Okay.
Because that one, you know, be about money. People get billions, you know, if you keep home.
Enough it. So how far you don't fit take keep your marriage and also whenever maybe now because I know the Ghana, no scandal.
She was even asking about how there are a lot of Oyibo people. Expatriates they here too now.
No,
unlike the way they did that side.
Past this place, so.
You sure?
Yes.
I know really. I haven't done that calculation, but. As big as Nigeria is, you guys must have many expats more than Ghana.
They're not free to Kwaka come outside like that.
They fear of
they kidnapping. You see that they waka they busy.
You understand?
And also if say based on say Ghana beach they get wave. I want not get wave. So no
beach don't get wave, man.
No, wait till the shot.
I never know. I go. See, I won't notice. Sometimes when you notice, where your bitch don't get wave. Hey, when I kidnap the wave.
Gotta go.
I never know so beach you this one. We don't get away.
I just try give reason because when I also Google, I noticed that they carry that their soft. Is it soft? They call it soft, right? That long stuff when they put on top of when they stand.
Yes, surf.
Surf. They surf. Yeah. So I just do calculation.
You know, say Naija says surf. Surf.
Yeah. So I just do the calculation. Say that they like those kind of arrangements, and I don't do most of our beach. That wave not really. I hardly see anybody. Okay, you know they feel proud because that's what it is.
No, you don't talk. I never see ocean. We don't get wave. Hey, Naija, clap for Nigeria. I'm gonna believe Naija. You get expatriate, you know if you come out. Because they thought say me will be 30 million. I get expatriate pass una. When I get expatriate pass me.
Ghana population of 30 million.
Yeah.
That will get per person for that one.
More than 200 million.
200 million.
You go pass now. That when they take 200 million now, 2,000 or something. The consensus. If they read them again. Only you said 1,000 people put inside.
I know you get advantage. Only one shot like this.
Wow. So that one.
So if they recount this year, Nigeria go enter 500.
500 million.
Stop that, my friend.
Okay, approximate time. No before.
I think
200 million. No, now 300 and something.
No. You not go reach. Maybe like 220 million. Possible if they do census.
See if you go Google
right now. My country they have me count my number.
Information the internet.
Thank you.
Now me put down for them.
Anyway, thank you very much, Stonebwoy. Say you brought to studio today. We really enjoyed the interview. What we will do right now? We'll sign up with this your new jam. The video you just shot recently.
Yeah.
Video available on top your
YouTube.
I think I see numbers 1 million over 1 million, right?
For 24 hours we hit 1 million plus. That's a 1.5 in a day.
Wow.
And that's one way they move because you know the people. The song is inspirational.
Yeah, blessing.
It's a contemporary. I would say it's a street song where they give inspiration.
When people feel easily relate
just speak blessings into your life and follow work. Make it come manifest.
Okay.
You know, as you say this, basically it was based on the activate time where I suppose enter Naija come. Okay. But I'm grateful for the time and opportunity as well and the reception. I'm super grateful.
How long did you stay?
I'm here for a few more days. Few more days, yes. And this will be my longest stay in Nigeria.
Oh, wow. Nice.
So I want to, you want
to enjoy. But I don't collect you around, Sha.
Yeah, I believe so.
But you don't collect.
Collect as in...
You don't collect?
No, Martin, none of the meaning of collect.
Me, I don't go fall for a trap. When they use Nigeria terms for me, make a cut say they collect. The next minute, now be say they start.
We are not scatter.
This one, I know they collect, they receive.
Okay, thank you very much.
Right,
just share your social media handle with us. In as much as it's popular, all of us know.
Thank you very much. It's Stonebwoy B. STONEBWOYB. So on Twitter, on Snapchat, on Instagram, on Facebook, you go see them. So thank God for that small blue tick where go make that. So now me be that once you see, you go see. And before I go, I say, look, this year you go buy a mansion.
Amen.
Look fresh, more fashion.
Amen.
Go double the work with more passion.
Amen.
And everybody test you more action.
Amen.
Go gaga, you go turn up the thing, no gaba. You go pay cash, no gagba. Hey, Futoka, blessings go follow you.
Amen.
Curses go run away. Lick it, star, you don't know, you know.
Get that problem. Blessing from Stonebwoy coming to your tomorrow.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.